Prime Minister Narendra Modi will undertake a 5-nation tour, and the first stop is in Ghana. I have with me some of the Indian diaspora people who have come here to cheer Prime Minister Modi and to get a glimpse of the man who they've been waiting for long.
We are very much agog and very much looking forward for his visit. So I just say that we are proud of him, we are proud of India, and we are proud to have Modi ji as our Prime Minister.
It is really a very proud moment for us that our PM Modi is coming over here. The way he says "Man Ki Baat" is also my "Man Ki Baat." He is coming here, and we are really waiting here to welcome him. He is the most respected leader in the world right now, and I would say if India can be able to see eye to eye to the even Western nations.
Becoming a Vishwa Guru, isn't it, ma'am?
It's very truly said. So Ghana is eagerly waiting. As Modi ji is coming to Ghana, he's coming to our homes, he's coming to our stories, he's coming to everywhere. Each and every citizen of Ghana is eagerly waiting for Modi ji.
We are feeling so proud that our Prime Minister is coming. So I want to add on that really that once we come to know like Prime Minister will be here, so that all the Indians who is staying over there, they are keep talking that when he is coming, that what we are going to do, we are going to see him closely, we are going to listen him very closely. So that is what we are feeling.
He is not just a leader. He's a visionary. He has transformed and changed the India Global Index with a lot of commitment, lot of courage, and he did it. And if I talk about his dedication, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, he did it. Yes, and really I'm very happy, and we are honored to welcome such a dynamic and powerful leader.
The Indian diaspora is eagerly waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make his first stop in the 5-nation trip that he is undertaking. Ghana will be the first stop, and it's expected to be a game changer for both the countries, especially when it comes to Indian diaspora who are really eagerly waiting to get a glimpse of the man who they've been absolutely eulogizing, have been talking about for long. With camera person Mohan Mukur, this is Taposh Bhattacharya for GT India from Accra, Ghana.
Modi, Modi, Modi.